Welcome to our tutorial on converting PDFs to Excel spreadsheets. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Type "Convert PDF to Excel" in the search bar, and you'll find various options. For this tutorial, we'll use I Love PDF, a reliable and user-friendly tool. You can also go directly to ilovepdf.com. Hover your mouse over the Convert PDF section. Under the Convert from PDF section, click on PDF to Excel. This will take you to the specific page for converting PDFs into Excel format. Or go to this link by searching in Google as I told earlier. Now, click on the Select PDF File button. You'll be prompted to choose a PDF file from your computer. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved. Select the file and click Open. Once the PDF file is uploaded, you'll see an option to convert to Excel. Click on this button, and I Love PDF will begin processing your file. The time it takes will depend on the size of the PDF and the amount of data it contains. After the conversion is complete, you'll see a Download button. Click on it to download your new Excel file. Open the Excel file to review the data and ensure everything is formatted correctly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.